Tessia. So now I will talking about my current project. And the concept of the current project is mainly talking about fast fashion and traditional slow fashion. And I want to use the traditional Chinese fashion, take people back from fast fashion to slow fashion. So in the beginning, I researched a lot of different techniques of the traditional Chinese textile, like knotting, like dyeing prints, yes, like knotting with some beads, and research the style, the costume, and I also to research about the trend in the future, which also could to link with the traditional style. Yes, and I also explore a lot of colors, use the traditional Chinese medicine dye. Yeah, it's sustainable and organic, and I got this color inspiration from my drawing. My drawing is mainly about the mountains and rivers, the traditional landscape, because I think fast fashion will make textile waste, and so that I want to use the nature landscape to reflect. Yes, I tried different color to show different narrative between them and sketch them, combine my pattern. And then from the inspiration of the artist, I got different idea to draw different landscape by some movement to explore more color and use that color, try to that color, use the traditional Chinese medicine, and also combine my pattern. Print this pattern with the different technique, like the pastel type print is a very traditional and old technique in the Chinese textile, and try the different colors. Yeah, and at the same time, I combine my colors, my print, my pattern, and beading embroidery together to explore my idea, and I got color inspiration from traditional landscape. And I like the movements between the mountains and rivers, and I also like use maybe some drawing and embroidery to explore it. And then I also got shapes and structure inspiration from the traditional Chinese architecture, and I like to use that structure to explore with my samples. And I also got some inspiration from the national jewelry, and I link it with my knotting with my macron techniques, and use some the shining thread to make some pattern, and use them to make a knit, maybe to decorate my clothing, my fabric, and also try the chunky knitting with that. Yeah, follow the research of the traditional style in the landscape. I keep explore my embroidery techniques in it, and use this color to make a lot of like maybe different mixed media samples, and also got movements from the dance drama, which talking about the emotion between the human and environment. Follow this, I keep my drawing and guide shape inspiration or the combination idea from my drawing, and to explore this colors. And this color is called indigo, also is a very old and traditional techniques in the Chinese textile history. And in this part, I designed my own pattern basic on the circle, followed a lot of research about the traditional Chinese pattern, and testing the dyes, the patterns, and cut it, use it to print. Yeah, that's the nowadays stage in my current project.